Hi, this is Shaban. I'm from Land-Based Educational Equipment Group. Today, let me introduce our horizontal sliding blackboard system. Our company name is Land-Based. English name is our product brand is Land-Based. We covered 40% market share in China educational equipment market. Our company is a stock listed company in China NEP market, and we have the strict SOP system for IQC and OQC. Many clients will ask, there are so many black factory, they can produce the horizontal sliding writing board. Why we have to choose Land-Based as our business partner? I can list the below reasons. The first one is ultra dust proof. It can minimize the maintenance. 超宽扁空槽。 The writing surface adopts the golden ratio. It can balance the easy writing and easy erasing. Number 3, we have the anti-glare treatment. The glossiness below 12. Number 4, all the central board laminated by the automatic binding machine, so there is no drumming. Number 5, the various size is a safety. Different size can match 65 inch, 75 inch, or 86 inch. 6, inverted U design, so there is no blockage caused by the dust or debris. Number 7 is customizable writing surface. We can choose the black color, light yellow, green, or white. Number 8, the hidden mounting and the assembling designing, so the outlooking will be much beautiful. Number 9, anti-pinch design. The arc design, so the kids and the teachers will not be damaged. Number 11, the thickened aluminum alloy makes the strength of the product. Number 12, assembling and mounting videos to help the clients make the easy maintenance and the operation of the wall mounting and spares assembling process. Number 13, ODM and OEM is available. Number 14, Land-Based has the powerful RD ability. We can realize special requirements of clients. Thank you.